Tulisa admits that she slept on the bathroom floor for 7 days after sex tape release. Chris Hemsworth's wife, Elsa Pataky, shows off her baby bump at Avengers Assemble premiere. TOWIE's Maria Fowler versus Ann Widdecombe on binge drinking. All that and more on today's Celebrity Newsbeats. Tulisa has spoken candidly about how she felt when she discovered a sex tape featuring herself and ex-boyfriend MC Ultra had been leaked online. In an interview with The Guardian, Tulisa admits that when the tape was released, she was devastated. She even slept on the bathroom floor for 7 days and did not want to leave the house. But the end-up singer says she soon snapped out of it and one morning woke up happy as Larry, put on her best dress and thought, okay, I'm going out. At the London premiere of The Avengers, Chris Hemsworth was supposed to be promoting his appearance as Action Man Thor in the film, but with his heavily pregnant wife Elsa Pataky by his side, the proud dad-to-be was more focused on his upcoming role as a father. The Australian actor lovingly patted the Spanish beauty's tummy on the red carpet. Maria Fowler faced politician Ann Widdecombe in a binge-drinking debate on television. In an interview on ITV's This Morning, former MP Ann is calling for binge drinkers to be named and shamed in the press. And the only way is Essex's Maria does not agree. Fowler won 71% of the viewer vote in the poll. Should binge drinkers be named and shamed? Beating the politician's view that people should be publicly ridiculed for their drunkenness. Brad Pitt seen with his children arriving at Valtra Airport in the remote Galapagos Islands. Victoria Beckham tweets hilarious picture of her preparing to land in Beijing. The Only Way is Essex star Lydia Bright seen on a night out in London. And finally, Kim and Khloe Kardashian made sure they were well prepared for the change in climate as they headed to Chicago. The famous siblings arrived at LAX looking more casual than usual as they stepped into the airport terminal. Although we're still finding it a little bit strange seeing the Kardashians all wrapped up. We're so used to seeing Kim in a skimpy bikini.